Hello and welcome to Take a Peek with us. This time we visited Erwood Reservoir. Erwood Hall is a historic country house located in the Goyt Valley in the Peak District National Park, England. Built in the 1830s by Samuel Grimshaw, it was originally named Goyt Bridge House. The hall underwent significant expansion and renovations in the late 19th and early 20th century, including the addition of a tower and a ballroom. The Grimshaw family owned the hall until the early 20th century, when it was sold to wealthy Manchester cotton merchant John William Crompton. Crompton extensively renovated the property, renaming it Erwood Hall after his wife's family estate in Lancashire. Tragically, the hall was abandoned and fell into disrepair in the mid-20th century. The sister of the owner lived in the estate until 1930. When she passed away, the property was sold to Stockport Corporation. It was then rented to the YHA until 1934. In 1936, the area became part of Derbyshire, and in the 1960s, the picturesque Goyt River was dammed, altering the landscape of the Grimshaw's Park significantly for leisure activities. The hall and its ruins have become a popular destination for hikers and tourists exploring the Peak District. The attempt to reconstruct the layout of the estate based on a 1930s sale catalogue was challenging due to discrepancies and uncertainties. Rooms were listed in various orders, and the functions of the rooms could change over time. Even details like curtains didn't provide clear clues. Suggestions from experts like Trevor York helped, but many questions remained unanswered, especially regarding the layout of bedrooms and the utilisation of space like the billiard room. Despite efforts to analyse floor plans and historical photographs, definitive conclusions were elusive. The layout of Erwood Hall remains a puzzle, with only possibilities and probabilities rather than certainties. We know they listed a billiard room, butler's pantry, multiple bedrooms, maybe a basement, an elaborate chapel, and a tower. Also still under debate is the courtyard. Was it indeed a courtyard, a great hall, or maybe a ballroom? If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We hope you'll join us again next time on Take a Peek with us.